Hello viewers, I am Nava. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today I have brought some tips which really help you in your spoken English and which surely develop your communication skill. So friends, these tips are very essential to learn spoken English and to develop your communication skill. So you have to follow this rule if you really want to develop your communication skill, develop your spoken English. If you follow this rule and tips, and I surely guarantee you, you will got a better result within a few months. So friends, if you have any problem regarding to your spoken English, regarding to your communication skill in your office, in your interview, in your friend circle, then this video will definitely help you out from this problem. So friends, without wasting time, let's get started to the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. I will upload this kind of videos regularly. So friends, let's start. We have to collect different kind of word every day. You have to learn minimum 2 words a day. If you possible, then write down the word and its meaning in your notebook or in your diary. It will definitely help you in your spoken English. At first, you need a word stock in your mind. In your mind, you have to collect different kind of word that you can express your feel. So you have to collect different kind of word and you have to learn minimum 2 words per day. So friends, start collecting word and learning new word from today. Our next point is sentences. What kind of sentences we use? We must know what is the process of sentence making. First, we know about that. At least you have minimum knowledge about the sentence pattern. If you don't know about the sentence pattern, then I have already made different video of tenses. You can check it. So, second point is you must know about the sentence pattern. So friends, from today start learning different kind of sentences. We found different kind of sentences like assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence. There is 5 kind of sentences. We must know about the pattern of the sentences, how these sentences are formed. We have to know and we have to learn about that if you really want to speak English to any other person around you and around the world. If you know English, then you can communicate around the world. There is no problem. So friends, from today, just start learning the pattern of sentence. So I hope you will understand. Our next point is topic. If you know the sentence pattern and you have lots of word in your stock, then you should go for to the next step is topic. At first, what you have to do? You have to collect different kind of topic. Such as you collect a topic and write down minimum 10 to 15 sentences about that topic. For example, you choose a topic about for Indian independence. So you have to write down minimum 10 to 15 sentences in your notebook, in any copy. Then what you have to do, after write down the sentences, you have understand something and you have to try it speak by yourself. By not memorizing these sentences, by yourself, by in your own language, try to speak about that. For that, you have to collect a mirror. Stand in front of the mirror and you have to start speaking yourself. Then you will find out some error or wrong in your speech. Then you have to try to collect that errors. That is the best way to improve your spoken English at your home. I was not a student of English medium. I was a student of my own regional language. But I can speak, I can understand everything. If I got any one person, I can speak English, there is no problem. But you have to inspiration, you have to a motivation to speak English to anyone. So that first you have to do one thing, you have to make a topic and write down minimum 10, 15, how much you can possible. You have to write down and speak it yourself in your own language in front of a mirror. Then you will got a confidence that you can speak English. I hope you can understand this topic. Our next point is about environment. You won't get an environment to speak English in your villages. So you have to create an environment by yourself. First, what you have to do, you have to collect some friends, your close friends, and just talk with them. We have to talk 1 hour in English. Just told them we will make fun in English for 1 hour in every day. Then if they're ready, then you can make an environment. Just collect some of your friends. Then you can make your environment by yourself. You will be developed, and with you they will got development. So you have to create environment by yourself. And inside your room you can create another environment. By how? You can make some different kind of sentences. And sentences means in different kind of conversational sentences. And try to speak it. What is the way to speak this kind of sentences? You have to know. And you have to learn about that. And collect this kind of conversational sentences and try to speak it by yourself. And if you got any kind of error, any kind of mistake on there, you can search it in anywhere, Google, in your dictionary, in anywhere, you can search it and make it correct. Every day you have to try minimum 10 to 15 sentences to speak yourself, and if you got any kind of error, you have to correct it immediately. Then you will never forget this kind of sentences. You will be able to speak to anyone. You can ask anyone. If you are not able to translate this kind of sentences to English, then you can comment in my comment box. If you got any kind of feedback about this video, then please comment in my comment box. I will try to reply it. So friends, I hope you will understand, and I hope you will got better benefit from this video. So I will be back with a new video. I hope you will got a better result within a few months. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye.